Welcome back, my friends. The next episode of the CT90 is going to be a big one, filled with lots of detail and fun times riding it. So, in order to keep the video a sensible length, I have made this small video detailing the stripping and painting processes. Think of it as a small amuse-bouche. So as usual, since the frame won't fit in the blasting cabinet, I'm going to strip it the old-fashioned way with a bit of my super ultra-lethal paint stripper and a bit of elbow grease. While the paint stripper is working, I'm going to get all of the other parts blasted clean. With that done, let's get back to working on the frame. Amazingly, the frame is in great condition for its age. No rushed repairs or anything needing done, so that's brilliant. Now it's on to filling in the very few minor dents that are on the tank and mudguard, and then we can move on to a spot of priming. I'm going to be using a white primer for this job, as it will make the red top coat pop just a little bit more. Please don't adjust your volume settings. I've deliberately reduced the sound volume to keep the audio artifacting issues to a minimum. Sadly, I've still not been able to find a fix for this issue in DaVinci, which is really driving me nuts. I mean, surely there has to be some setting that I can play with to stop this issue. With the primer laid down, it's now time to apply the scarlet red top coat. I'm just going wet on wet for this paint job to save a bit of time, as I'm running a bit short of that these days with everything I need to get done. While the paint is curing, I'm going to use this time to get a few parts that need powder coating sandblasted. Another little job that needs doing to complete the bike is to derust and replate some of the parts. I'm going to do this by putting them in a tub and leaving them to soak overnight in some deoxy. Now you keep an eye on that derusting process now, George. That's pretty much all of the cosmetic jobs now done. So what I'm going to do now is sort out and rebuild this mess of wires, and I will see you all again next time for the jumbo episode and the grand finale of the CT90 restoration. See you all again soon.